Hey guys, welcome back to the South Spikes YouTube channel, and today we'll be restoring an old Prodigy S5. Here's the first look at it. It's pretty dirty and pretty old. Obviously it was laying in the mud, so what we're going to do first is just go over it with a big dose of water and clean it off. Alright guys, we just finished washing it off. And now all the loose dirt is kind of knocked off, but as you can tell, it's still pretty dirty, so we're about to go disassemble it and clean it further from there. Okay, so a little backstory on this scooter. This scooter I bought from my friend, shout out Josiah. I bought it from him for really cheap, and it was in really bad condition. Obviously, clamp just spins around, and it's really loose. The wheels are all loose. Everything's just rattly, and it's for sure not dialed. So yeah, so that's just where I got the scooter and a little bit about it. So let's start tearing into it. Guys, we just got the scooter all torn apart, and it is completely apart here. We have all the parts laid out, and now we're going to individually clean each one. So check back with you then. Okay, so before we spray paint, we're going to mask a few things off. Like we're going to mask off the uppers of this fork. Only spray paint the lowers because they're chipped up. So check back with you when that's done. Alright, just got it all masked off, and what we're going to be painting is the fork, the bars, the shim, the dust cover, and the brake. So stay tuned. Got everything spray painted. So it's now to its original black condition, so looks a little bit better. So let's peel the masking off here. And it should be pretty good. So yeah, we'll get this peeled off. Check back with you in a second. Alright. All the masking is off, and this fork looks pretty good. We got the shim, looks okay. The brake, the dust cover, and the bars. So here's all the parts so far, and I guess we'll get started putting it back together. Got it built. It looks pretty good. First look here, all the spray painted parts look pretty good, but I know it's not perfect, but it's here, and the perfect model with just using this deck and stuff will be coming out soon, so stay tuned for that custom build. And here's a sneak peek of it. We'll be running these grips, pegs, clamp, some Oz bars back there, so yeah, stay tuned, and that's it for this video, and thanks.